Hello, welcome to the innards of the mechanism that works and does wonderful things inside a 1541 disk drive. David Bradley here. I'm your host. So, what I did I just drop a screw? No, please do not drop a screw. Did I? Oh no! Don't tell me. I almost did. Okay, sorry. Okay. So what we have here are these two little pads, and there was a big, horrible glob of solder on there. Horrible, 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 horrible. And this drive works just fine. It's just dandy. I've been testing it relentlessly. I have, and but these it wouldn't work. You see, it wouldn't. It would fail because it thought that the disk was write protected. It was trying to format. Oops, and that's not good. So the idea here is what I'm going to do once this um, the de-soldering iron cools down. I'll get it out of the way. Not ready to do that yet, though. Is I will then get the soldering iron and I will do my bestest. Now that these are kind of looking, these here are looking cleaner than they were, I will see about finding a way to affix these wires. It's funny, I kind of thought there might be holes or something there. There were two humongous globs of solder. They've since been sucked up by the de-soldering iron. And we'll see what we can do here. I would like this to work, but it may not. It may be destined not to. So the idea is I will get stuff heated up and get the wires onto these two contacts. There they are. There's the contacts. And see if it works. Now, if the sensor itself here, there's the little board and there's stuff underneath. If it's not working, then it doesn't matter what I do. It's not going to work. So we will soon see. As iron's cool, and I guess I really need to get the other iron in position so it will get hot and get the solder and be ready. So we'll see you again. I'll try to record looking down on this while I do it. I will try. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. David Bradley in the TV room here. Indeed, I am your host. Bye for now.